Murakami in the hallway.
What is going on, guys? Just an overview update back again with another video, and today we are doing the first drop list here on YouTube for December, and boy is it a good one. We got 3 staple items in today's drop and some exclusives that you guys will hear first on this video, so you guys are definitely going to want to stay tuned and watch to the end. First of all, I want to thank everyone for following my personal page. If you haven't already, link is down below or on screen now. Lots of people again getting that exclusive information. You guys already knew about this drop ahead of time from following my Instagram page, so again, follow that page and I'm gonna be posting some previews, some exclusives. Anyways, let's not waste any more time. Let's hop straight into the drop list for Friday, December the 4th, or tomorrow or today, whenever you are watching. Alright, so as you guys can see up on screen right now, yes, that is correct. We have the OG Santa Owl Hoodies dropping in white, red, and black. 3 main colorways in today's drop. This is the staple item in the collection. These hoodies are going to be retailing for $178 or $188. So again, a very, very expensive hoodie. Not cheap at all, but the quality definitely reflects. And if you guys get a close look at the hoodie, it is actually the same material as the Murakami. So I'm going to grab that hoodie and show you close up what the material is going to be like. Alright, so here is the Murakami hoodie. As you can see, it is like that nice carpety material. Very, very nice. They also use that material on the LA hoodie as well. So they've used it in the past and they're bringing it back for this hoodie. I'm super, super excited they're doing this. We only got the stickers last year, and to finally see that they're incorporating this on an actual clothing item such as the hoodie and a few accessories, which I'm going to talk about in just a second. Yeah guys, the hoodies are definitely going to be crazy. Expect these to go instantly. Not a chance these are going to be sitting on the site for more than 5 minutes, 2 minutes, even 1 minute. This is going to go very, very fast. Everyone's going to want these for the holiday Christmas season coming up. So let me know your pick, guys. Let me know if you're going for red, white, or black. Definitely, in my opinion, the black or the red, even the white. Honestly, I can't even choose. It's so hard. They're all super fire. I'm definitely gonna have to grab one. I'm not too sure which one I'm gonna go for just yet, but that red is looking very tempting. So the hoodie is double lined 400 GSM, so it's that really thick, heavyweight cotton, and it does have the inseam pockets like all the other OG Owl hoodies. Again, it is made in Canada, so you're guaranteed that good quality. And we're also gonna be seeing some accessories with this design on it. It's rumored to be that we're getting a mug with that design, as well as a keychain and stickers. So with that being said, North America might be getting that exclusive accessory drop only, so you're going to want to stay tuned tomorrow at 12 o'clock EST, 9 a.m. PST. Now let's continue on with the rest of the drop list. So next up we got the Sherpa lined flannel. Now this is an actual jacket, not just a regular flannel, again lined with all the Sherpa fur, and that is going to be retailing for right around $200, not cheap at all. So just to run you guys down on that jacket real quick, it is 173 GSM cotton flannel, sheepskin leather accents, reinforced branded woodmark snaps, chest pockets with flaps and snap closure, single wall front pockets, internal chest pocket, circle word mark screen print on back, and it fits true to size. So there are lots of details on that jacket, which definitely reflects the $200 price point. Again, probably a good combo to go with the hoodie, get you all bundled up for the winter. Let me know if you do have your eye on this as well in tomorrow's drop. Now this is just a partial drop list. We might see a bit more dropping in North America as well, so definitely stay on the lookout on the Twitter, on the Instagram page for those items that do come out as well. But that's about it for the drop list tonight. Again, those Santa Owls are the big key for tomorrow, so definitely make sure you are ready for those because they are going to fly. Make sure you guys are logged into your account, whether you're buying through Apple Pay, Shop Pay. So with that being said, guys, I'm definitely going to have a review of that hoodie up for you next week when it does come in. I appreciate you guys showing support. We got another video coming out either Saturday or Sunday, so stay on the lookout for that as well. And with that being said, guys, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. They also use that material on the LA hoodie as well. So they've used it in the past and they're bringing it back for this hoodie.